Hello everyone and welcome to today's review. We have the pleasure today of being at the showroom of Sychro Automotive East Africa Limited, who are a multi-brand dealer whose portfolio currently they've got Solis tractors and Case IH tractors and the Farm King farm implements. So today we are going to do a review of one of the Solis tractors that comes both in 4WD and 2WD drivetrains, and this is the Solis 9220. Just to give a preview of this tractor, this is the Solis 9220 4WD, and it comes with an E3 engine rated at 4087 cc 4-cylinder, and comes with 92 horsepower and 339 Newton meters of torque at 2200 RPM. The E3 engine that comes with this tractor is quite very fuel efficient. Also gives extra power, extra torque, and also extra pickup capability. The gearbox for this tractor comes with a 12 forward and 12 reverse gears, and it's 100% Super Sychro, and it also comes with a double clutch. And to ensure safe operations for the tractor, it comes with an independent PTO with a lift capacity of up to 3,000 kilograms, and it comes with an hydrostatic power steering wheel. Now we can take a walk around video to see how the tractor is. Those are the rear tires that weighs up to 34 kilograms. There is the Super Sychro Shuttle XL badge. The cautions there. The climbing pad. The turn lights there. And it also has got a shield here. Very hard plastic that helps to protect the driver. We've got the auto lift and the 4WD badge there. Then you've got the exhaust going up. The Solis badge. Model number 9220. And one thing with this tractor, it's got on the front wheels, it has got the fender, or what we normally call the mudguard. There you can see then the front wheels. This unit is a 4-wheel drive. And here in front, we still have the Solis badge there. And for clear visibility at night, we've got those twin projector headlights. And this one also comes with the LED day running lights. And it's got a factory fitted front weights that weigh up to 160 kilograms. We still have the Solis badge there. That is how it is there in front. And for the protection of the front side of it, we've got this metal projections, and this one. This basically in case you're tilling where there are trees or anything, to help protect the front side of the tractor, the headlights. So these ones can be able to hold that. And another thing I forgot to mention with this tractor, it's got an underhood exhaust for the engine. Still I've got the Solis and the brand model there. The same protector, the lights, the turn lights, and the indicators. Down below there, the chassis number, the propeller there, and it also comes with a standard canopy with some powerful lights up there. The Super Sychro Shuttle XL badge also there. And one thing with this tractor, it gives a lot of caution so that you can know easily how to handle it, what you need to do, what you need not to do. This is the handle that helps when you're going up. The same thing also applies here. Then it's got on its fender, the metallic fender here, it's got a running plastic, the bend all to the end. You've got turn lights there, the brake lights. This for the plate, number plate. It's also one of the safety measures put by the company. It's got a reflector here, permanently fixed. So in case you're driving at night and maybe the lights are not working, someone can be also able to see you from there, at least know there is a tractor moving ahead. It's got a 3-point hook. Okay, this one is yet to be fixed, but you've got the provision here and here. And then also we also have this one for pulling, and also this one. Got all this. Then the powerful rear light, and you also have 2 more up there. Let's check what we have here. So the brakes, this is the accelerating pedal, we've got the levers there. Oh, and it's oil immersed brakes. A very comfortable chair there. The provision of a safety belt. Spongy. And we've got a cup holder point here, and also a plate holder there in case you're having a snack while at work. So you can put your coffee there or water bottle. You can have your snack there. It's all branded, the Solis, also on the steering. Look at the handbrake here. This is the clutch. This is the key. So let's power it on and feel how it is. So that is it for the Solis 9220 review workaround. And for more information, look down below on our description part and we'll put most of the details. Thank you and see you again soon.